All right, let's talk about a healthy colon. Do you know that they tell you now that upwards of 85% of your immune system is in the colon? That's because almost everything that gets internally is either coming in through your respiratory system when you breathe, or through your digestive system when you drink water or eat food. Listen, they also tell us that almost all disease begins in the colon. So it should make sense to keep a healthy colon. Did you know your small intestine can be anywhere from 18 to 26 feet long? Wow! Think about the process that it's going through to digest your food. What does it take to have a healthy colon? Obviously good nutrition. And that's what we specialize in at nutritional health care. We specialize in good nutrition. And we talk about that a lot, everything from MSM plus C to heart and all those things. But when it comes to colon health, what you've got to remember is that there's things you've got to put into the colon to keep it clean, to keep it functioning like it's supposed to, and to keep it strong so that it can eliminate waste. Most of the waste that leaves your body leaves out through the colon. So what we want to do is talk about these things real quick, and it's not complicated as the medical profession would want you to think it is, so that you have to go to them even if you get a bellyache. Just untrue stuff. Here's what I want you to remember. Two most important things about colon health is number one, fiber. We don't get enough fiber in our diet today. Most of the foods are processed and done all of the preserved and all this stuff they do to it, which literally means a lot of times they're taking some of the healthiest stuff out, like fiber and nutrition, and leaving behind nothing but carbohydrates and sometimes proteins and things like that, or fats, which do what? They can actually create problems in the colon. So you got to get enough fiber. How do you get enough fiber? Well, you can eat a lot of fruits and vegetables. I'm talking about a bunch of it. Or you can take some things like psyllium husk and seeds. There's all kinds of things to do it. Peanuts, I believe not. Nuts of all kinds have good fiber in them. They're good for you. The other thing you got to have good colon health is a good bacterial environment within your colon. Your immune system has to do with the bacteria. There's several different kinds of bacteria. You got everything from lactobacillus, sporogenesis, and there's just bunches of them in there. And a good blend of all those different bacteria can help make the colon much healthier too. And remember, when you got a good colonization of good bacteria in the colon, what happens? Then it kills out the bad bacteria that you may be feeding into your body through the water or through the food that you're eating. Not complicated. When you're getting enough fiber, things move out of the colon. Keeps the colon slick like Teflon. That's the way you want it, so that foods can't stick and then bacteria that's bad can't grow. When you got the healthy flora, the bacteria, then it's killing the germs, the bacteria, the viruses, and parasites that you may be consuming in your food supply. And yes, I know you eat clean, but guess what? If you're eating raw fruits and vegetables, I hate to tell you this, but you're getting parasites. You're getting bacteria, germs, and things because it's not cooked. That's not a bad thing, as long as you keep a good, healthy colon. Now, with that said, the last thing is so important, and that's drink lots of water. Did you know a lot of people are constipated, and the only problem is they think that tea and coffee and soft drinks and all that other stuff is water? No, it's not. Water is water, and you got to have a lot of water to cleanse the colon and keep everything moving right. So number one is a lot of fiber. Number two is a good source of bacteria. And three, it's the water. Do those things, you'll have a healthier colon.